Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to make a Spotify song your alarm. Firstly, on iPhone, get the alarm clock for Spotify from the App Store and open the app and sign in with your Spotify premium account. Now tap anywhere, go to Settings, Alarms, then Add. Set the time and repeat schedule. Now you need to pick your Spotify music. Tap Spotify playlist, choose a song, album or playlist, then tap Add, then Done. Hit Save to make it effective and your chosen Spotify track will now ring as your alarm. As for Android, download and open the Spot On application. Log in with your Spotify Premium, then tap Wake and Plus to create an alarm. Set the time, then choose a playlist, album or a song from Spotify. You can customize with fade in, shuffle, vibration and more. Now install or update the Google Clock and set a new alarm, then tap the V icon under the alarm. Select ringtone, Spotify Connect, then OK, and pick your Spotify song, playlist or artist to use as the alarm tone. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.